Most guys think losing fat means endless running or starving yourself. But what if I told you you can burn fat faster without a single minute of traditional cardio? In this video, I'll show you a system that actually works for men who hate cardio, based on calisthenics, recovery, and the science of metabolism. Let's build the system that makes fat loss automatic. Most men are stuck doing cardio because it feels like progress. You sweat, you burn calories, your watch says you're crushing it, but your body doesn't care about any of that. The moment you step off that treadmill, your metabolism slows right back down. Your body's smart, it adapts. It learns to burn less because it thinks you're in survival mode. That's why the first few weeks of running feel amazing. You drop a few pounds, energy's up, and then nothing. You plateau. Because traditional cardio trains your body to become efficient, not lean. Efficient means do the same work, burn fewer calories. It's great if you're training for endurance, but terrible if your goal is to look strong, athletic, and defined. Because when you push long, steady cardio without enough recovery or nutrition, your body starts breaking down muscle for energy. And once you lose muscle, your metabolism slows down, so you have to work even harder just to see the same results. That's the cardio trap. Quick question, how many hours a week do you usually spend doing cardio? Drop it in the comments. I want to see how much time men are really giving to traditional cardio. So instead of chasing exhaustion, we're going to rebuild your system from the inside out with a 3-phase blueprint that makes your metabolism do the work for you. So here's the fix. My 3-phase blueprint that helps you drop fat while feeling stronger than ever. Phase 1, muscle activation. You don't lose fat by moving more. You lose fat by moving better. Focus on compound calisthenic moves that recruit maximum muscle. Push-ups, body rows, squats, and planks. These activate dormant muscle groups and raise your resting metabolism 24/7, even while you sleep. Phase 2, metabolic circuits. Now we stack intensity. Short bursts of multi-muscle movements. Squat, push-up, mountain climber, rest 30 seconds, and repeat for 5 rounds. Each circuit lasts under 10 minutes, but skyrockets heart rate and testosterone without joint stress. Phase 3, energy mastery. This is where fat loss becomes effortless. We stabilize hormones, cortisol down, insulin sensitivity up through recovery and nutrition. Morning sunlight, cold showers, high-protein meals, magnesium at night. When recovery improves, your body chooses to burn fat, not muscle. You don't need a strict diet. You need a framework that respects your metabolism. Here's the rule. Protein first, carbs around training, fats for focus. Protein, 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Eggs, fish, lean meat, or protein powder. Carbs, oats, rice, fruit, especially after training. Fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts. Stable intake throughout the day. Forget about cutting calories. Instead, stabilize blood sugar because stable energy keeps your fat-burning mode on all day long. The science is simple. Muscle tissue is metabolically active. Every extra pound of muscle burns calories even while you rest. So when you train for strength and tension, not exhaustion, you turn your body into a fat-burning engine. That's why this method works long after your workout ends. So that's how you burn fat without ever stepping on a treadmill. Train smart, recover right, and your body does the rest. Now hit the next video and let's build your strength phase next.